Before buying a DSLR camera, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7. Let's kick things off with the Canon EOS Rebel T7. This popular camera from Canon packs a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and is priced at $529, making it a solid pick for beginners. If you want a user-friendly camera that delivers quality images, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 24.1 megapixel sensor helps capture detailed images, even in low light, thanks to its ISO range of 100-6400, expandable to 12,800. The built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing your shots a breeze, so you can post to social media without any hassle. Plus, with 9 autofocus points, your images will be sharp and focused. It's also the bestseller, with a strong rating of 4.6 stars from over 5,300 reviews, so you know it's well-loved. Now, some people complained about the camera being a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you've never owned a DSLR before, you might actually appreciate the sturdy build and it's not overly heavy. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for a reliable and easy-to-use camera. Skip this one if you want something super compact for street photography. For the value it offers, it's a solid investment. Now, if the bulkiness of the Rebel T7 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Nikon D7500. Next up is the Nikon D7500, which comes in at $996.95. This camera delivers class-leading image quality and is a fantastic option for those looking to step up their photography game. If you want a DSLR that offers incredible versatility, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a 20.9 MP sensor and a 51-point autofocus system, you'll have the ability to capture fast-moving subjects in sharp detail. The 4K Ultra HD video capability is perfect for those moments when you want to shoot stunning video. Plus, the 3.2-inch tilting LCD touchscreen is a game-changer for flexibility in shooting angles. It also boasts 8 frames per second continuous shooting, which is great for action shots. With a 4.8-star rating from 696 reviews, it's clear that many users are thrilled with its performance. Now, some users found the menu system a little confusing, but I'll be real with you, once you get the hang of it, the features just open up a whole new world of creativity. This is perfect for you if you're an aspiring photographer who wants more control over your shots. Skip this one if you're just looking for a casual snapper. For everything you get, it's a worthwhile investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a budget-friendly option. Product number 3, Canon EOS Rebel T7 Renewed. Coming in at a more budget-friendly option is the Canon EOS Rebel T7 Renewed, priced at $391.99. This model still packs a punch, especially for those new to photography. If you want quality without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features the same 24.1 MP CMOS sensor as the original Rebel T7, which means you'll still capture stunning images. The added benefit is its user-friendly interface, making it super easy to get started with photography. With built-in Wi-Fi, sharing your photos is a breeze. It has a 4.5-star rating from over 300 reviews, showing it's a popular choice among budget-conscious buyers. Now, some people have commented on the lack of a warranty for Renewed products. Here's the thing though, if you're careful, it's a great way to save money while still getting a quality camera. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out and want a reliable camera without the hefty price tag. Skip this one if you want the latest features. For the price, it offers fantastic value. Now, if the lack of warranty concerns you, the next option has a bit more security. Product number 4, Canon EOS Rebel T7 Double Zoom Kit. Next, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T7 Double Zoom Lens Kit. While the price isn't listed, it's an epic combo for anyone who wants versatility. If you want to explore different photography styles, this setup is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It includes the same 24.1 MP sensor and adds a second telephoto lens, allowing you to shoot subjects from a distance with great clarity. The optical viewfinder gives you a clear view of your subject, and with dual pixel autofocus, focusing on fast-moving objects becomes a breeze. The 4.7-star rating from 3,200 reviews confirms that this kit is well received by users. Now, some users mention the kit lenses can feel a bit basic. But honestly, the flexibility they offer as a starting point is fantastic, especially for beginners. This is perfect for you if you want to experiment with different lenses to discover your style. Skip this one if you're only interested in high-end lenses right away. For the price of 2 lenses and the camera, you're getting great value. Alright, that was a great option for versatility. But the last one on my list offers a complete package for those who want everything included. Product number 5, Canon EOS 2000D/Rebel T7 Kit. Finally, we have the Canon EOS 2000D/Rebel T7 Kit, priced at $519. This bundle gives you everything a beginner might need. If you want an all-in-one solution to start your photography journey, this is the one to consider. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It includes the camera, a standard lens, and even extra accessories like a wide-angle lens, telephoto lens, and a tripod. With a 24.1 MP sensor and full HD video capabilities, shooting quality images and videos is straightforward. The kit also boasts a solid 4.6-star rating from over 342 reviews, indicating it's a hit among new photographers. Now, some folks might find the included accessories aren't the highest quality. But here's the thing, they're perfect for beginners who need to learn without a huge investment. This is perfect for you if you want a complete starter kit without the hassle of piecing everything together. Skip this one if you already have specific gear in mind. For the price, it offers incredible value for a comprehensive package. So there you have it, the top 5 DSLR cameras to consider. From the beginner-friendly Canon EOS Rebel T7 to the versatile Nikon D7500 and the all-in-one Canon EOS 2000D kit, there's something for everyone. Whatever your needs, one of these options is bound to help you capture stunning photos.